Ever wondered how Mojo stacks up against Python in the programming world? Then, we got you. Welcome to Tech With You channel, where we dive into the world of technology where all will be explained. Well, you're in the right place. Let's begin with a brief introduction. Mojo, also known as Mojolicious, is a fresh and fun real-time web framework for Perl. It's designed to be powerful yet light and makes web development a breeze. Whether it's building a simple web app or a complex web service, Mojo has got you covered. On the other hand, we have Python, a high-level and general-purpose programming language. Loved by many for its simplicity and readability, Python is versatile and can be used for various types of projects, from web development to data analysis and machine learning. It's the backbone of popular frameworks like Django and PyPy. Each has its strengths and specialties. So how do we decide which one to use? That's what we're here to explore. Dive in to understand the nitty-gritty of these two powerful languages. Mojo is more than just a new kid on the block. It's a powerhouse, packed with features that make it a strong contender in the programming landscape. One of the most significant features of Mojo is its asynchronous nature. This means that Mojo can handle multiple tasks at the same time without waiting for one to finish before starting another. This multitasking ability can drastically improve the efficiency and responsiveness of your applications. Moreover, Mojo is a real-time web framework. What does this mean? Well, it allows you to create interactive applications that can update and respond in real time. Imagine a chat application where messages appear instantly, or a stock market app that updates prices in a blink. That's the power of Mojo's real-time capabilities. But it's not all about speed. Mojo is also about performance. It's designed to be high-performing, capable of handling heavy traffic and complex tasks with ease. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale application, Mojo has got your back. And let's not forget about its ease of use and flexibility. Mojo is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible to both novice and experienced programmers. Its syntax is clear and straightforward, and it provides a wide range of tools and libraries to make your coding experience smoother and more enjoyable. These features make Mojo a strong contender in the realm of programming languages. Python, a veteran in the field, has its own set of strengths. A key strength lies in its simplicity. Python's syntax is clean, easy to understand, and emphasizes readability, reducing the cost of program maintenance. It supports modules and packages, promoting code reuse and program modularity. Another strength is Python's versatility. It is designed to be a highly flexible language that can handle a variety of programming tasks. From web and desktop applications to complex scientific and numeric computations, Python's got you covered. Python also shines in its extensive library support. Python's standard library is vast, replete with modules that cover an array of programming tasks. Further, the active Python community has contributed a wealth of external libraries, expanding Python's capabilities even more. Python's simplicity, versatility, and extensive library support have made it a popular choice in various fields. This includes data science, where Python's powerful libraries like NumPy and Pandas reign supreme. In the realm of machine learning, libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch leverage Python's strengths to enable sophisticated models and algorithms. And in the world of web development, Django, Flask, and Pyramid, among others, make building web applications in Python a breeze. So, whether you're crunching complex datasets, building the next big AI, or designing sleek web applications, Python proves to be a reliable ally. Python's broad range of applications has secured its place among the top programming languages. Performance matters, so how do Mojo and Python compare? Let's delve into the performance of both Mojo and Python. Performance in the context of programming languages often refers to the speed at which code executes. And when it comes to speed, Mojo and Python each have their unique strengths. Python, with its Django and PyPy frameworks, is no slouch when it comes to performance. Python's simplicity and readability allow for rapid development, which can be a huge advantage in the fast-paced world of software development. Plus, Python's extensive library support can often mean less time spent writing code and more time optimizing it. But let's talk about Mojo. Mojo's real strength lies in its asynchronous nature. Asynchronous programming allows for multiple tasks to be performed concurrently, rather than sequentially. This can lead to significant speed advantages, particularly when dealing with I/O-bound tasks or network requests. In these situations, Mojo can handle multiple requests at once without waiting for each one to complete before moving on to the next. This can result in a more efficient use of system resources and ultimately faster execution times. Of course, there are trade-offs. Asynchronous programming can be more complex and harder to debug than synchronous or sequential programming. But with great power comes great responsibility, and for those willing to navigate these challenges, the speed advantages can be well worth it. Even considering these trade-offs, it's worth noting that Mojo is not inherently better or faster than Python. The speed of a programming language can depend heavily on the specific task at hand, the skill of the programmer, and the efficiency of the code itself. But when you're dealing with high-volume network traffic or I/O-bound tasks, and you're willing to embrace the complexity of asynchronous programming, Mojo's performance can shine. Python has its strengths, and Mojo has its own. But when it comes to raw speed in these specific scenarios, Mojo might just have the edge. While both have their strengths, Mojo might have an edge when it comes to speed. So, Mojo or Python? The answer depends on your needs. Let's dive deeper into this. If you're looking for a language that's easy to learn, with a vast library and a vibrant community, Python might be your go-to. Its strengths lie in data analysis, machine learning, and web development. On the other hand, if you're after a more modern take on web development, Mojo could be the choice for you. Its real-time web capabilities and non-blocking I/O model make it a strong contender for high-performance web applications. It's compact, yet powerful, and offers a refreshing departure from traditional web programming paradigms. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in programming. The best language is often the one that best fits your project's specific needs, and sometimes it might even be a combination of several languages. So, whether it's Mojo's modern approach or Python's proven stability, the choice is yours to make. The decision isn't about which language is better, but which is more suitable for your specific needs. So there you have it, a side-by-side comparison of Mojo and Python. We've delved into the key features of both these dynamic languages, highlighting their strengths and areas of application. Mojo, with its emphasis on simplicity and speed, proves to be a compelling choice for web development and real-time applications. It's a modern language designed to be both flexible and powerful. On the other side, we have Python, a language beloved by many for its readability and extensive libraries. It's a versatile language that has found its place in diverse sectors like data analysis, machine learning, and web development. We also took a look at performance, where Mojo's speed outshines Python, especially in web development frameworks like Django and PyPy. But let's not forget that the choice between Mojo and Python isn't a battle to be won. It's about finding the right tool for your project, based on your specific needs and the project requirements. Remember, it's not about which language is superior, but which one fits your project best. Happy coding!